Have you been waking up every morning telling yourself that today is the day you finally start losing weight, only to find that stubborn belly fat just would not budge? You are jumping in the effort, you are watching what you eat, and yet the results just are not coming. Here is what most people get wrong. We assume weight gain is purely about what we eat or how little we exercise. But the science tells a very different story. Every morning before 9 a.m., millions of people unknowingly flip a biological switch that sends their body one clear signal: store fat. And the trigger is not junk food or skipped workouts. It is the small everyday habits packed into the first 60 minutes after waking up. In those first 60 minutes, your metabolism makes a critical decision: burn fat or hold on to it. Today, I am going to walk you through the 7 morning mistakes that are sabotaging that decision. And at the end, I will give you a simple 7 step fat burning morning routine you can start tomorrow. Mistake number 1: skipping morning sunlight. This is the cheapest, most effective metabolic tool available, and 93% of people ignore it completely. Your body runs on an internal clock called the circadian rhythm. This clock regulates cortisol, your stress hormone, melatonin, your sleep hormone, and critically, your insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone that tells your body to store fat. Research shows that people who get natural morning light have better fasting insulin levels and process carbohydrates more efficiently. Without 10 to 30 minutes of direct sunlight in the morning, no sunglasses, your body begins storing sugar as fat, which directly impacts your weight and belly fat. Step outside within the first hour of waking. It costs nothing. Mistake number 2: reaching for coffee before water. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is significantly dehydrated. You lose moisture just through breathing overnight, which means your blood is slightly thicker than normal by morning. Pouring caffeine into that already stressed system adds unnecessary pressure. That mid morning hunger you feel around 11 a.m., it is often not hunger at all. It's thirst disguised as an appetite signal. Start your morning with a glass of water, ideally with a pinch of pink Himalayan salt or an electrolyte powder. Then have your coffee 90 minutes after waking. Your body will be properly hydrated, your metabolism will function better, and your coffee will actually work more effectively. Mistake number 3: eating the moment you wake up. After a full night's sleep, your insulin levels are low and your body is naturally burning fat for fuel. This is your metabolic golden window. The moment you eat something, anything, insulin spikes and that fat burning window slams shut. You don't need to fast for hours, just give yourself a little time. Drink water, get some sunlight, take a short walk. Let your body continue doing what it is already doing well. That small delay can have a significant positive impact on your metabolism throughout the entire day. Mistake number 4: eating a high carb, healthy breakfast. We have been told since childhood that cereal, oatmeal, and orange juice are the perfect morning meal. The problem: these are all hidden sugar bombs. When you load up on carbohydrates first thing in the morning, your blood sugar spikes rapidly. Your pancreas floods the system with insulin to compensate. Fat burning shuts down completely, and then you crash, feeling hungry again within an hour or two. You spend the rest of the day riding the blood sugar roller coaster. A study from University of Missouri found that people who ate a high-protein breakfast had significantly fewer food cravings throughout the day and consumed less junk food in the hours that followed. Another study showed that women who ate a protein-focused breakfast lost more weight and belly fat over 8 weeks compared to those eating the same number of calories from carbohydrates. Prioritize protein at breakfast. Aim for at least 30 grams. Mistake number 5: sitting down immediately after eating. After breakfast, most of us jump into the car or sit in front of a screen. But here is what is happening inside your body at that moment. Glucose from your meal is circulating in your bloodstream. If you don't move, insulin will push that sugar directly into fat cells for storage. A study published in Diabetes Care found that just 15 minutes of waking after a meal controls blood sugar as effectively as a single 45-minute walk later in the day. When you walk, your muscles absorb glucose from the blood directly without needing insulin's help at all. Think of it as a side door that bypasses the fat storage hormone entirely. Mistake number 6, checking your phone first thing. Most of us silence the alarm and immediately start scrolling. Emails, texts, Instagram, news. It feels harmless, but your brain reads all of that as a threat. In the first 30 to 45 minutes after waking, your body experiences what is called the cortisol awakening response, a natural hormone jumpstart that prepares you for the day. When you introduce your phone into that window, you are layering artificial stress on top of that natural process. A study published in February 2025 found that people who blocked internet access for just the first part of their morning for 14 days showed improvement in their focus, mental health, and well being equivalent to feeling 10 years younger. Here's the key metabolic fact: belly fat contains 3 times more cortisol receptors than fat anywhere else on your body. This is why it is often called cortisol belly. Survival mode and fat burning mode cannot run at the same time. Mistake number 7, starting the day in survival mode. Phone, coffee, rush hour, noise, bad news. Together, these send your nervous system one message: danger. Your body does not know you are just running late for a meeting. It responds as you are being chased. Cortisol surges and your body receives a clear signal: hold on to fat, something bad is coming. This fat accumulates around your organs called visceral fat, and it is the most dangerous kind, linked to heart disease and certain cancers. A calm, intentional start to your morning is not just good for your mental health, it is essential for your metabolic health. Your 7-step fat burning morning routine. Your metabolism is not broken, it's just receiving the wrong signals. Here is how to fix that. Number 1, drink mineral water first. One large glass with a pinch of salt or electrolytes before anything else. Number 2, get 10 to 30 minutes of morning sunlight. No sunglasses within the first hours of waking. Number 3, take a short walk, even 10 to 15 minutes alongside your sunlight exposure. Number 4, no phone for the first 30 to 60 minutes. Your inbox will survive. Number 5, take 1 minute to breathe deeply. Before work begins, give your nervous system a chance to shift out of survival mode. Number 6, delay coffee by 90 minutes. Let cortisol naturally drop first. Your coffee will work far better. Number 7, eat protein first. Aim for at least 30 grams of your first meal. Eggs are an excellent option. You're not lazy and your metabolism is not working against you. Your body is simply responding to the signals you're giving it every morning. Change the signals and you change the outcomes. Try even one of these changes for the next 7 days and notice what shifts. Drop a comment below sharing your experience. It might be exactly what someone else need to hear. And if you want more practical health tips like this, subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.